This is a Blue Point toolbox. Pretty deep. Couple shelves. Side panel. Locks on the side right here. Has 2 medium drawers. Has a little bit of a deeper drawer. Then it has a really big deep drawer. It's a pretty good cart. These is kind of flimsy shelves. You have to put screws on the side. Table's pretty good. Bed lined it. Make it hard. It's hard. Feels flimsy. Has an extension cord. A trash can. It's a good cart for Blue Point. Not that expensive. Made into a little snap-on with the snap-on sticker right here in the back.
What are you doing, bitch?
Nah, I'm trying.
Are you serious?
Nah, bitch, I'm finna post this whole on YouTube, nigga.
What?
Bitch, cause there's not a lot of these up there, nigga.
Oh, man, you sound like a straight girl just now.
Bitch, how you know someone doesn't want to get into this, nigga? Nigga, it's $910 and it's pretty good. There's not a whole bunch of these that you can see. See, it gives you enough room for your sockets, your bed sets. You can put your little things over here, the drill,
You know what Alan's doing right now?
power source, that's your sockets. It's a pretty good deal. It's a hell of a good ass box. It has 2 separate locks, one for the top, one for the bottom. For the lock.